Hello everybody, I'm Tom from the Reluctant Outdoorsman channel. Today I'm with my wife Angie again at Jersey Zoo. Let's go and have a look at the flamingos. They're absolutely fantastic. Yeah, come on, let's go and see the flamingos. It's just down here, I think. Or is it? Yes, there's a halfway around. And here are these little fellas. What were they? They're Gallarda monkeys. Here. If you haven't seen it, I've already done a video in which they feature. You can, of course, find it on this channel, along with hundreds of other videos of walks, cycle rides, drives all around the beautiful island of Jersey. Right, we're going to go and see some very pink things. Join the flock. I mean, all this is beautiful. Was it? I don't remember it all being like this. I'm sure they must. For ages. Yeah, you can get hit on the head by falling acorns and all sorts. I mean, what a lovely little place to sit. Wow, it's getting windy though. No wonder a lot of the animals are in. Flamingos are omnivorous, primarily feeding on algae, brine shrimp and small invertebrates. They use their bills to filter food from the water, consuming organisms rich in carotenoids. Actually, when they're born, they are grey, their carotenoid-rich diet turning them pink.
I caught a glimpse of you by the water's edge. Soft light bending where your colors stretch. A quiet ripple, a stolen breath. You look lovely in pink, like a dream I can't outthink. Every shade of you, it pulls me through. You look lovely in pink. The sky leaned low to touch your frame, whispered secrets, called your name, and I just stood there, caught in the flame. It's the way you move, it's the way you glow, a rhythm the world could never know. You look lovely in pink, like the dawn before spring. could hold that color still. Bottle the light, bend the will, but you're fleeting, wild, untamed, and that's the beauty I can't claim.
Excellent. There we go. That was worth a little trip down to see. Well, we've seen some things. Oh, it's cold though now. Whoa!
It's cold down here.
Cold and windy. It's a lovely area down here though. I mean,
If it was warm, it would be
yeah,
quite a little bit of respite down here, wouldn't it?
yeah, but even if there were no animals around here, it'd be a lovely place to walk around. I suppose the animals are a bonus, aren't they? It's a great thing to have on the island. That's off to Gerald Durrell. We're going right.
Yeah, we're going to have a look in the exhibition.
And then
here,
we'll-
isn't it? The Durrell exhibition.
I don't know. They're marmorets, but they could be anywhere.
I don't even think that.
Sorry?
There used to be loads of them just all over.
Well, I'm sure on certain days they're all over. But on a windy day where it's not a bad day though, is it? It's not pouring down rain or anything. I mean, the upkeep of this place must be quite incredible. That's the old house up on the left, isn't it? I think his wife is still around, isn't she? She's American. She was a lot younger than him. Beautiful trees.
You know what a good word is? Snap. And we snap the branches and snap.
Do you think snap's a good word?
It's onomatopoeia.
Ooh,
Did you know that?
like crack
Yes. Whoosh.
and bang. Well, very nice. And this is beautiful, this area here. I remember this from way back.
Yeah, yeah.
It's dark. I mean, what a fantastic old building, hey? I mean, didn't that used to be the bat's cage?
No, it's down.
Here. I'm sure it was in a... I mean, look at that. That's a lovely house, isn't it?
Oh, please don't pick the bloom for every bloom flowers for sale. Sure, it's
They're for sale.
Wow.
They had a lot of advertising on on YouTube. They're all individual 3D printed. Look at this gateway, hey? I mean, that is a beautiful arch, isn't it? It's what?
Daniel.
Dumaresq, 1712 to 1805. Parish of Trinity. Daniel Dumaresq, 1712 to 1805. A scholar born here at Les Audrey, Daniel Dumaresq graduated from Oxford and became chaplain of the English factory at St. Petersburg. Catherine, Empress of Russia, sought his guidance on introducing primary and secondary education into Russia, and King Stanislaus of Poland requested that he reorganize the education system in Poland. Although Dumaresq declined a bishopric offered by Pitt, George III considered him one of the most worthy men in my dominions. There you go. And then another worthy man. Here we go. Gerald Durrell, 1925 to 1995. Celebrated writer, naturalist and conservation visionary, Gerald Durrell lived here at Les Audrey Manor from 1959 until 1995. Born in India, he spent his formative years in Corfu, which inspired his lifelong mission to save species from extinction. He founded Jersey Zoo in 1959 and a charitable trust in 1963. Durrell Wildlife Conservation Trust is respected throughout the world as a pioneer in wildlife and habitat conservation. Behind you lie Gerald's ashes under the block of Jersey granite. I suppose that would be here. Yep. Gerald Durrell. Lovely, eh? And this is very special. Brilliant. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching.